Hi, welcome to my channel.
Today, I am selling vegetables in the marketplace. Come, I would like to show you what vegetables that I sell. Here we go. Tomato. Tomato. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Broccoli. Broccoli. Mushroom. Mushroom. Cabbage. Cabbage. Red cabbage. Red cabbage. Lettuce. Lettuce. Spinach. Spinach. Green beans. Green beans. String beans. String beans. Bean sprouts. Bean sprouts. Chinese cabbage. Chinese cabbage. Mustard green. Mustard green. Moringa leaves. Moringa leaves. Cassava leaves. Cassava leaves. Chili. Chili. Leek. Leek. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Peppers. Peppers. Leafy vegetable. Leafy vegetable. Carrot. Carrot. Eggplant. Eggplant. Okra. Okra. Potato. Potato. Celery. Celery. Asparagus. Asparagus. Cucumber. Cucumber. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Corn. Corn. Artichoke. Artichoke. Onion. Onion. Garlic. Garlic. Alright, everyone, it is enough for today. Don't forget to search more about vegetables because there are still have a lot of kinds of vegetables, colors and sizes. Don't forget to like, comments, ring the notification bell and share. Thank you.